Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be diving into the prescription feature on Ilara's HMIS. We'll start by exploring on how to add a diagnosis before writing up your prescription. Since you can't add a prescription without a diagnosis, we'll start by navigating through the diagnosis and plan feature so that we can add our diagnosis. Once you've selected the appropriate diagnosis, you can now move on to the prescription section. In this section, you'll begin by entering the medication name and also selecting the formulation. Next, you'll input the dose, then you'll specify the frequency like once a day or twice a day, followed up by the route, whether it is oral or any other method. Finally, don't forget the duration. This tells the patient how long they should continue taking the medication. Finally, you can add a comment onto the prescription. And that's simply it on Ilara's prescription feature. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this that will enable you to fully maximize Ilara's HMIS to its full potential.